Student, welcome back to NKZia Academy YouTube channel. I am Zia Khan from NKZia Academy. Today we are starting MCQs on respiratory system and endocrine gland, which are the most important MCQs for NEET exam. I am giving 30 MCQ exam with answers. So,
Question first. In which type of organisms respiration release more energy? Aerobic respiration, homogenic respiration, anaerobic respiration, or heterogenic respiration? Answer is anaerobic respiration. In humans, dash dash is not an endocrine gland. Adrenal gland, pituitary gland, pineal gland, the liver. Answer is the liver. Dash dash aid in emulsification of fat. Wheat K trypsin, bile salts, pepsin, HCl. Answer is bile salt. Which of the following is are not an endocrine gland in our body? Thyroid gland, pituitary gland, adrenal gland, salivary gland. Answer is salivary gland. Salivary gland. The dash dash gland which hangs by a thin salt from a hypothalamus is called the master gland of the human body. Is thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pituitary gland, or pancreas? The answer is pituitary gland. Which of the following is responsible for dwarfism in humans? Dwarfism is a syndrome in which height does not increase of human. So, pancreas, thyroxines, pituitary, or adrenal? The answer is C. Pituitary. Which gland help to control pressure in the human body? Pituitary gland, pancreas, adrenal gland, pineal gland. Answer is pituitary gland. Adrenal gland. Which of the following glands pairs of animal for flight? Pineal, thyroid, pancreas, adrenal. Answer is adrenal. Which of the following glands controls the rate of energy released inside the body? Pancreas, parathyroid, thyroid, secrete insulin. The answer is pancreas. Pituitary gland is one of the most important gland of our body. Is located dash dash inside the skull, near the lower end of the backbone, inside the stomach, inside the chest. Answer is inside the skull. What part of respiratory system prevents the air passage from collapsing? Ribs, trachea, spines, rings of cartilage. Answer is rings of cartilage. How will the plant be affected if the rate of respiration becomes more than the rate of photosynthesis? More food will be oxidized than that produced, and plant will starve and die. Plants will store a lot amount of food. Plant growth will slow down. Plant growth will increase due to more energy production. Answer: more food will be oxidized than the produce, and plant will starve and die. Which of the following is the common product produced during anaerobic and aerobic respiration instantly in the first step? Ethanol, pyruvate, water, or lactic acid? Answer is B. Pyruvate. Breathing holes are found in which of the following animals? Man, fish, cockroach, earthworm. Option C. Cockroach. where the aerobic breakdown of pyruvate take place in the man body, mitochondria, nucleus, cytoplasm, or muscles. Answer is mitochondria. All me statements given below regarding respiration in humans are correct. Explain 1. Identify the correct statement. The ribs sink in and the diaphragm rises upwards. The ribs rise up and the diaphragm flatten. The thoracic cavity becomes larger. All is taken by the lungs. The ribs sink in and the diaphragm rises upwards. This statement is correct. Some features of a respiratory surface in animals are mentioned below. Select the incorrect option. Presence of mechanism of moving air in and out of this area is very thick, has a large surface area, usually placed inside the body. Correct answer is very thick. B. During each breathing cycle, when air is taken in and thrown out, the lungs always contain some amount of air so that there is sufficient time for oxygen to be dioxide to be released. What is amount of air called? Pulmonary volume, alveolar volume, breathing volume, or residual volume? Answer is residual volume. Option D. What are the balloon-like structures present in the lungs where exchange of gases takes place? Bronchioles, alveoli, trachea, or cilia? Bronchioles, alveoli, trachea, or cilia? In which trachea is windpipe, alveoli is present in lungs which do exchange of gases. Bronchioles and cilia are called as hair-like structure. You studied in study of cell. Why is cut? Why why is cigarette smoking injurious to health? Because it causes swelling, abdomen in lungs, became weakness to the muscles of chest, because it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of RBC, because it damages the cilia present in the upper respiratory tract. Because it damaged the cilia present in upper respiratory tract. Option D. During the process of respiration, how much oxygen molecules combine with one molecule of glucose? 5, 4, 6, or 7? Option is 6. Which of the following gases is essential for all aerobic forms of life? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, carbon, or methane? Yeah. O3 is called as ozone. O2, oxygen. Which of the following are the end product of respiration in plant? Carbon dioxide and oxygen, glucose and oxygen, oxygen and energy, carbon dioxide, water and energy. Correct answer is carbon dioxide, water and energy. Option D. How many times does an adult man breathe per minute at rest? 70 to 72, 12 to 15, 15 to 18, 72 to 75. Answer is 15 to 18 times. Option C. In terrestrial animals, exchange of gases take place by diffusion. Which among the following statements are true about respiration in these animals? Diffusion through their surface. They have five and delicate surface that exchange gases. They may have passage for flow of. They have less surface area but have heavy blood flow for respiration. A, B, and C. Option 1 is correct. Why is breathing rate of aquatic organism much faster than the terrestrial ones? Because one of more oxygen in water, because water is polluted, because of less oxygen in water, because of less carbon dioxide in water. Option A, because of more oxygen in water. Through which organ is air taken into the body of human being? Nostril, alveoli, bronchial, windpipe. Answer is nostril, option A. Which of the following is required for the breakdown of glucose in human cells to provide energy? Nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. Option A, oxygen. What is energy currency of most cellular process? This is one of my favorite questions. Energy currency is adenosine triphosphate, ATP. So 1 ATP is equal to 3. One molecule is equal to 3 ATP. This you should studied in ninth class. What is the percentage of oxygen in air normally inhaled and exhaled by human beings? Around 20% in inhaled air and 2% exhaled air. Around 80% inhaled and 10% exhaled. Around 21% inhaled and 16% exhaled. Around 19% inhaled and 17% exhaled. Around 21% inhaled and 16% exhaled is correct answer. Which organism can live without oxygen? Anaerobic. Anaerobic can only that can live without oxygen. They convert atmosphere into oxygen. The greatest quality of the air that be expelled after a maximum respiratory effect is lung volume, vital volume, tidal volume, or residual volume. Option D, lung volume. The exchange of respiratory gases in the lung occurs in dash dash. Bronchioles, bronchi, alveoli, trachea. Option C, alveoli. One should not sleep under a tree at night because dash dash. Carbon dioxide is released, oxygen is released, nitrogen is released, carbon monoxide is released. Answer is carbon monoxide is released at night. How do green plant in the sea help fish to respire? They give out oxygen. They give out oxygen and carbon dioxide simultaneously. They take oxygen and give carbon dioxide. They give out carbon dioxide because they give out carbon dioxide. Thank you student for watching. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe NKZia Academy.